Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for AdSense on YouTube. First, let's cover the essential eligibility criteria. Your YouTube channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Additionally, you must accumulate 4,000 valid public watch hours within the past 12 months. It's also crucial that your channel adheres to all YouTube monetization policies. Finally, you need to be at least 18 years old. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, the next step is connecting your AdSense account. Head over to your YouTube Studio dashboard. On the left-hand menu, you will find the Monetization section. Click on it. Here, you will see prompts to either link an existing AdSense account or create a new one if you do not have one yet. Make sure to accurately provide all your personal and payment information during this process for a smooth setup. As you enter the mid-game, planet specialization becomes crucial. Dedicate worlds to specific outputs, such as one for research, another for alloy production, and a third for consumer goods. Begin constructing powerful megastructures like a science nexus or a mega shipyard to significantly amplify your empire's capabilities. Maintain a strong diplomatic presence or build a formidable fleet of 20 to 30,000 power to deter potential threats. Choose traditions and ascension perks that further enhance your internal development and population growth. Congratulations, your channel is monetized. Now, let's talk about getting paid. AdSense issues payments monthly, but only when your accumulated earnings reach the minimum threshold of $100. Payments are typically processed and sent out between the 21st and 26th day of each month. You can select your preferred payment method within your AdSense account, such as direct deposit. Always ensure your tax information is accurately submitted to avoid any delays.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.